illustrated by Patrizia Donaero. Trees. A leafy word. There are many different types of trees. They can be different shapes and size. This large tree is an oak tree. Standing tall. Trees are tall, woody plants that can live for hundreds of years. The top of the tree is called the crown. Leaves grow on the branches. The strong trunk supports the branches. Water travels from the roots through the trunk to the branches. Bark protects the trunk and branches from the cold and damage. Roots grow deep underground. They hold the tree in the soil and soak up water from the soil. Scientists think that some trees have lived for over 5,000 years. Growing strong. Every tree begins as a tiny seed. In spring, a seed starts to grow. The first shoot and roots begin to grow from the seed. The roots soak up water. The shoot grows up to the surface. It becomes a seedling with leaves and buds. Heat from the sun and water from the soil help the seedling grow into a sapling. After many years, this green sapling will grow into a tall fir tree. Food factories. Trees need food to help them grow. The leaves use water, sunlight, and air to make food. These are veins. This is stem. The stem and veins carry water to the leaf. Sunlight shines on the leaf. Air goes into tiny holes on the leaf's underside. The leaf makes food, and the veins carry it to the rest of the tree. Then the leaf gives out a gas called oxygen. Types of trees. There are thousands of different kinds of trees. There are three main tree groups. Broadleaf trees have bushy crowns with lots of branches. Evergreen trees are tall and have straight trunks. Palm trees have bendly trunks with big leaves at the top. Palm leaves are sometimes called fronds. This is a sycamore leaf. A sycamore is a broadleaf tree. These spiky leaves are from an evergreen tree. Changing seasons. Some broadleaf trees look very different at different times of year. In summer, the trees are covered with lots of green leaves. As the weather gets colder, the leaves turn orange and red. The leaves fall to the ground. The branches stay bare all winter. In spring, new green leaves start to grow on the trees. Evergreen trees are never bare. They lose their leaves and grow new ones all year long. When leaves turn orange and red, they fall from the branches. Fancy flowers. Some trees grow flowers in spring. Many flowers attract insects with their smell. Inside the flower, there is a sticky powder called pollen and a sweet juice called nectar. Insects drink the nectar and pollen sticks to their bodies. When the insects go to another flower, some of the pollen rubs off. The trees uses pollen from two flowers to make seeds. Honeybees do a special dance to tell each other where to find nectar. Tasty treats. After the flowers die and fall, fruits start to grow. There are seeds inside each fruit. Hard fruits are called nuts and cones. These dormice are eating a chestnut. When birds and animals eat the fruits, they swallow the seeds. The seeds are spread by the birds and animals in their droppings. If the seeds fall on the right soil, they grow into new seedlings. Hanging on, lots of different plants and mushrooms grow on trees. Moss is a furry green plant that grows on tree trunks in damp forests. Mistletoe grows on branches. Its roots suck water and food from the tree. Orchids grow on rainforest trees. The roots soak up water from the air. Velvet foot mushrooms grow in groups on tree trunks. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms grow at the bottom of trees. They glow a spooky green at night. Tree houses. Lots of birds and animals make their homes in trees. Bald eagles build huge nests in very tall trees. The nest is called an eyrie. Raccoons sleep in holes in trees to stay warm during the cold winter. Koalas sleep for most of the day in eucalyptus trees. They eat the leaves too. This squirrel has made a snug home for its baby in a hollow tree. Tough trees. All trees need water to survive, but some trees can grow in very dry places. Argan trees grow in rocky places. Goats climb the trees to eat the leaves because there is no grass. John trees grow in desert in India. Their long roots reach water far under the ground. African baobab trees have huge trunks that can store water for the dry summer months. Bourgeon trees grow in dry parts of America. Their wood holds lots of water like a sponge. Crawling with life. Many bugs live on trees that give them food or protection. Bullhorn acacia tree is home to thousands of ants. They live in the big hollow thorns of the tree. The ants eat balls of yellow nectar from the leaves. They sting any creature that might damage the tree. This sphinx moth has patterns on its body that match the bark of the tree and help it hide from danger. A tree trunk spider weaves sticky silk on a tree bark. The spider punches on trap insects. trees in trouble. The world's forests are in danger. Trees are being destroyed by fire and people. Forest fires sometimes start in dry places during very hot weather. This fire in the USA killed thousands of trees. Trees are chopped down so the wood can be used for fuel and to make paper. Forests are cleared so land can be used for farming and to build towns or roads. Even tiny beetles can be dangerous. Some carry diseases that kill trees. Protecting trees. There are lots of ways to save trees for the future. Used paper can be recycled to make new paper and cardboard. This means that fewer forests are destroyed. In some forests, new trees are planted to replace ones that are chopped down. Trees are protected in national parks. These trees grow on high rocky cliffs in the Grand Canyon National Park in the United States. The end.